What would be a black guy video without poles? Wait, let me shut off the AC room. Oh, she sounds angry today. Heel toe in real quick, of course. Okay, Ben. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. I swear it wasn't. Oh, the cops are right there, bro. Oh. Ooh. Yo. I tried lowering the tire pressure a little bit. Hopefully that should help with the wheel hop. Cause you know, your boy got bills, you know what I'm saying? Look at this freaking Durant. Look at him, just cutting people off, bro.
I'm about to bust.
Yo. Oh. Oops. Silly me. Serve, bro. This guy looks like he's gonna drive slow, bro. Serve that man a knuckle sandwich. Should we go to first? Frick it. Oh my freaking. Oh, if this car was a woman.
Weird, buddy. You're weird.
I apologize to everybody in this neighborhood. I'm so sorry. But you gotta admit, you know what I'm saying? You might want to curse me out, but the car sounds good, man. So, you know what I mean? My dang screen is dirty and whatnot. What the frick, man? I need people to drive with, man. Shut up. Freaking radar, bro. Don't interrupt me again, bro. Piss me off. Who the frick are you honking at, bro? I know it's not me. Oh, is that a police? That is a cop. That is a cop. Frick, that's a cop. Oh. Weave. No potholes today. Whew. Is that a cop? Frick me. My speed is the speed limit. Calm down, see? 14 miles an hour. Come on, bro. Don't y'all know I always follow the speed limit? Come on, what do you take me for? Some sort of criminal degenerate? Sorry, neighborhood. Sorry, my bad. Frick. Everybody probably freaking hates me, bro. I gotta have a long talk with whoever the frick designed these roads, bro. They need to be fired, bro. Instantly. Through this tunnel real quick. lot of freaking traffic, bro. God dang, bro. Tasty. God, whoa, what is, it's a crater. Yo,